Hey there, this is Gpad Learn Maths, and in this video we're going to evaluate the square root of minus 9 times the square root of negative 4. Now the mistake many people make is that they confuse this with the square root of 9 times the square root of 4, where they have to multiply 9 by 4, which is what? The square root of 36, and they will simply say the result of this is 6. The question is, can you do that here, where you have to multiply the radicand, that's the number inside the square root, then you have something like this: minus 9 times minus 4. Minus times minus is plus, so that's 9 times 4 is 36 and equal to 6. But is this correct? Of course not. It is completely wrong. How should we solve this question instead? Now, do you know that minus 9 can be written as minus 1 times 9? So this can be written as this: minus 1 times 9 dot, what about this one? Minus 1 times 4. All right, so let's rewrite this one as the square root of minus 1 times the square root of 9, then dot or times the square root of minus 1 times the square root of what? 4. The square root of minus 1 is not a real number, it's an imaginary number. So we use I to represent the imaginary unit of the imaginary number. I, in this case, will be equal to the square root of what? Minus 1. The square root of minus 1 is not a real number. So I'm going to replace the square root of minus 1 here and here with this I, which is the imaginary unit of an imaginary number. So this is going to be what? I times the square root of 9, which is 3. So that's 3I. Then dot, what about this one? The square root of 4 is 2. That's 2. And then the square root of minus 1 is what? I. So moving it further, 3 times 2 is what? 6. I times I is what? I squared. That's I squared. If I is equal to the square root of minus 1, what about I squared? So let's square this and also square this, and let's see what that gives us. Square will now cancel the square root, and I squared is equal to what? Minus 1. So I'm going to replace I squared for negative 1. So this is equal to what? 6 times minus 1. And what is 6 times minus 1? It's what? Minus 6. So this is the result you get when you evaluate this, and not 6. If you got value from this video, kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video and share your thoughts. I'll see you in the next one.